everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make story on TikTok account. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok apps, and after this, in here you just click on the profile icon at the bottom. And now in here you just now at the menu you can click on the plus icon, this one, and after this in here you can make the story video, or you can add the photo that you want to add. In here I want to make the video like this, so you just press this button like this. Okay, and after this in here you just click on the your story, click on it and finish. In here you can see your story, this one, this is your story, and finish. So that's how to make story on your TikTok account. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.